Welcome! In today's episode I'll work on RC plane cowling design. I go to DLE website and find the engine I want. I download the 3D file. The format of the file is .igs. Solidworks takes this format, so I create a new part and drag the file into Solidworks window. It took pretty long to load the file, but the engine appeared eventually. The engine has really good details and gives me perfect base to design the cowling. As always, I save the part first. Then I create the first reference plane where I think my firewall should be. The origin of this engine is not exactly centered with the engine. I believe this might be the offset for the engine being skewed down and right by 2 to 3 degrees in standard tractor configurations. Anyways, I am going to use this file only to get the rough shape of the cowling and then transfer it to the fresh file. I start the new sketch in the firewall plane. I only draw one half and then mirror it. I use splines to get the round shapes. Next, I create more planes somewhere closer to the propeller, where I want the shapes to narrow down. I keep adjusting the planes until I'm satisfied. The good part is that it can be changed at any time. I start the sketch in the middle plane. I copy the sketch from the firewall sketch and I scale it down to keep it similar. Next, I perform a loft with the two sketches. I change the transparency of the loft to see the engine inside. Then I create another sketch closest to the prop and again I scale it down. I make another loft using the middle sketch and the sketch I just created. The shape is way too square, so I need to add a guide curve with the 3D sketch to make it smooth. So I make another loft using the 3D curve as a guide and it looks much better right away. I decided to add one more plane and one more sketch to make the front of the cowling even smaller. I repeat the process and I don't try to be super exact since I know that I will be redoing it anyways. Starts to look like something. I also use the shell feature to check for clearances inside. Finally, I create a new part and I redraw the cowl. I copy the shapes from the cowling I just created. I decided to reduce the amount of planes to 3. I draw all the 3D sketches for the guide curves. I use side view and top view to draw them. Sometimes it takes some fighting to figure out how to draw the curves to make the software happy. But once you get it, you become much faster. Bottom line is to be patient. After I get my final loft, I create an assembly to check the clearancing and to optimize the shape. I use mates to set the parts in place. I cut some holes to create cooling inlets. But more of this good stuff is going to happen in coming episodes. That's all for today, and more coming soon.